Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn in law school. Begin by actively engaging with your assigned readings. Don't just skim, truly dissect each case. Identify the parties, the legal issues presented, the court's reasoning, and the final decision. Briefing cases help solidify your understanding, often taking about 15 to 20 minutes per case. This foundational step is crucial for building a strong legal knowledge base. Remember, understanding the underlying principles is more valuable than rote memorization. Once you've briefed your cases, the next vital step is outlining. Start building your outlines early, ideally after each week's lectures, rather than waiting until the end of the semester. These outlines should synthesize all your readings and class notes into a coherent structure. Think of them as your personalized textbook. Many students find that creating visual aids like flowcharts helps immensely in understanding how different legal rules interact and apply to various scenarios. This process is about connecting the dots. Learning law isn't just about absorbing information, it's about applying it. Dedicate significant time to working through practice problems and hypotheticals. This is where you truly test your understanding of the rules and how they interact. Consider joining a study group. Discussing concepts with peers can offer new perspectives and clarify difficult points. Don't be afraid to seek feedback on your answers from professors or teaching assistants. This constructive criticism is invaluable for refining your analytical skills and improving your performance. As exams approach, shift your focus to intensive review and strategic preparation. Go through your outlines multiple times, ensuring you can recall and explain key concepts without referring to your notes. Practice writing timed essay answers. This is critical for developing speed and clarity under pressure. Most law school exams are open book, but time is your most valuable resource. Develop a clear strategy for issue spotting and structuring your answers to maximize your points. Aim for at least 3 to 4 full practice exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.